how to extract the script of the YouTube video. First of all, open your YouTube app in your mobile or laptop. Then copy the link of the video, what script do you want to extract. I am copying the link of Mr. Beast video. After that, copying the video link, then open a new browser and search there getsubs.cc. Please check the spelling and you have to type like that. I will also provide you the website link in the video description. You can click, and then after clicking, you will see these type of screen. Then paste the video link here and then click on get subs. When you click on get subs, it will take few seconds, and then you have to scroll down, and now you can click on text option and your script will be downloaded. And first of all, you have to select the language in which do you want to extract the script. I am extracting the script in English language. I will select English and then click on text option. When I click on text option, the script will be downloaded and extracted. And now here you can see the script is extracted, and now I can use that.